Today I'm bringing an iconic Minecraft weapon to life in pure silver. Using sandcasting and my silver pouring techniques, crafted a miniature real life version of the Minecraft sword. But will it turn out as perfect as planned? Stick around to see every step from molten metal to the final reveal of this legendary piece. Trust me, you won't want to miss this transformation. Oh, what do you expect? If you give a bloke a football, he's going to kick it, ain't he?
Have it. Orders.
If you give him a sword, he's going to have to swoosh it. So you can see there's a 3D print of the Minecraft sword. I'm really excited about doing this pour. Something I used to love Minecraft, playing it, and it's one of them games, it appealed to me because you had to kind of plan ahead. You had to think about the future. You couldn't just go running about because nightfall had come and you get in all sorts of trouble. And it got me around to thinking it's a bit like life in lots of ways. You know, if you just run about having fun, then night time comes and you're gonna have problems later on, aren't you? If you just spend everything, you've got no money. You just lots of similarities between the game and real life. And you know, some people say the game of life, don't they? And I was just thinking, yeah, planning. And I can remember playing, as I say, the first day in Minecraft, you had to plan. You had to make sure you could find somewhere safe for the night because all the bad guys come out at night to get you. And I just, that planning ahead and the progress, seeing progress. Each day you played the game, you'd get another weapon, you'd get another, I don't know, another animal you could farm, and you'd start building your house, and you just start building up, and then you start getting somewhere. And it's something that I always try and do. I always look to the future. Me and the missus, we have not arguments, but like disagreements. She's very much for live for the moment and, you know, do it now. If you've got 50 quid, come on, let's go and spend it with the kids and have fun. And I'm all for that, 100%. But I'm more, well, let's take that 50 quid and turn it into 100, and then, you know, we'll see where we go from there. Kind of, I'm more always looking to the future. I know it's something I've got to keep on doing 100%, but I think I need to curb it a little bit and just, try and live for the moment as well. Because there is more things to life than just, you know, investing and, you know, putting stuff away and delayed gratification and all that. I think you do have to take some time for yourself and have a bit of fun as well. And yeah, that's what I'm going to try and do. It kind of got me thinking about stacking as well. It's like we all do it different ways, and we all play the game Minecraft different ways. I suppose some people had farm. I don't know if you're not familiar with Minecraft. It's kind of like it's a sandbox world basically. You can go around and do what you want to do and survive how you want to survive.
Game over.
And lots of people do it lots of different ways. I mean, you can make little farms with all the animals you get, so you got food, but you can have cows, you can have pigs, chickens, sheep, or you can do vegetables. You could just endless, and it's just a bit like stacking. You can stack silver, gold, people stack copper, palladium, platinum, coins, and it's just interesting. It's really interesting how lots of people how people are different and how they go about stuff. I'm in a Discord group, Stacker Social, really, really cool. And there's lots of different people in there, and it's just so interesting to see what people buy and pick up and just their strategies and their investment and the plans and the long-term thinking. And it's just, it's really cool how everyone seems to have, there's a common goal, but everybody has a different way about getting there, and it's just fascinating. And it just goes to show, no matter where you are on your journey, be it stacking or whatever in life, you can get to that end goal, whatever it is, but there's lots of different ways to get there. And we all cut our cloth accordingly, obviously, but you can get there. You can still get to the same finish line. It might take you longer, you know, but you can still get there if you plan right and make the right moves. You can definitely get there. And yeah, just going back to me and the wife, and I'm like, I'm so grateful that we are both different, because if we was both the same, if we both had the same mindset that I do, we'd save everything, we wouldn't do anything. We just like try and invest and for a rainy day and for a better life further on down the line. But I think we do need to to have, I don't want to say fun's the wrong word, we do have fun, but you know what I mean, you know what I'm saying, spend a bit more now or do stuff and what have you. But a line that still comes back to me, I can remember in The Godfather when the Don and Al Pacino are there and they're talking, and he just says something like, the Don goes, yeah, children and women can be reckless, but men have to be sensible. Something I'm pretty sure that's the line. And I was just thinking, yeah, perhaps, yeah. I'm not that I'm being sexist here, but I'm just using that as a example because it's me and the wife. We have different ways of thinking. I'm sure there's some women who look more to the future than I do, but I was like, yeah, that's somewhat correct, isn't it? You know, and I want to make sure that we're secure and everything's okay. And it is a bit of a worry because obviously, as some of you will know, if you followed my journey, I've basically just started doing YouTube and silver boring for the last year and a bit. And yeah, I wouldn't exactly say it's stable income, but it's so much fun. It's absolutely brilliant. I love it, and I'm going to keep doing it as long as I can. And I just had so much fun. We did doing this Minecraft pour, as you can see here, the sword here. I'm just finishing it off, bit of planing, bit of filing. So, there you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this pour. If you have, check this video that's just about to come up over here now. This is another cool pour. This is another computer retro gaming inspired one. So, go check it out.